Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. And you?
I'm good too, it's a nice day today.
Yes, the weather is perfect.
Do you live nearby?
No, I just moved here. What about you?
Oh, I have lived here for over 3 years now.
Oh, wow. I guess you like it here.
Yes, I love it. The people are really friendly.
That's great to hear. Do you study or work here?
I study here. I'm an English student.
That's awesome. Your English sounds really good.
Thank you. I still have a lot to learn.
That's okay. I can help if you want.
That would be amazing.
No worries, I need help studying too.
What do you study?
I study Spanish.
Wow, that's great.
Thanks. I try to practice a little every day.
That's a smart idea. I should do the same.
Yes, even 15 minutes a day can help.
Do you study with a teacher?
Sometimes I also use videos, apps, and talk to people.
I like watching videos too.
They really help with listening and new words.
Do you practice speaking every day?
Not every day, but I try to speak as much as I can.
That's a good habit. I get nervous sometimes.
It's normal. Making mistakes is part of learning.
True, I want to speak more confidently.
It's okay, you just have to keep practicing.
Thanks for the encouragement.
You're welcome. Let's practice again sometime.
Yes, let's meet again soon.
Perfect. See you next time.